Hi SuperExers! Today we're diving into how to view your AMM dividend history and withdraw your earnings directly on the SuperEx app. Let's get started. First, log into your SuperEx app. Once you're in, head to the bottom right corner and tap on Assets. Then select AMM. On the AMM page, you'll notice a View Record icon. Tap on it, and there you have it, your complete AMM revenue record. Now that you've seen your earnings, let's withdraw them. Here's how. Go back to the AMM section from the Assets menu. Then click on AMM Dividend. This will take you to the My Earnings page. On the My Earnings page, select MM Dividends and then tap Withdraw. It's as simple as that. And there you have it. Viewing your AMM dividend history and withdrawing earnings is quick and easy with SuperEx. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto tutorials. See you next time.